Welcome to Sat X. Square roots and cube roots. Exercise 1.6 Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics Learner's Book 7. Welcome to new video. Today I am going to solve at least 3 to 5 math based on square roots and cube roots. Let's start. It's a primary level math. Our first question: copy and complete the following. 1a, 3 square. We know 3 square means 3 times 3, it means 9. So here is 9. Number B, 5 square. 5 times 5 is a 25. So our answer here is 25. Number C, 8 square. It means 8 times 8, so 64. Here is 64. Number D, 10 square. 10 times 10 equals to 100, right? So here is 100. And finally, number E, 15 square. 15 times 15, it will be what? 2, 2, 5. So 2, 2, 5. Number 1 done. Now number 2. Number 2, an equivalent statement 7 square equals to 49 is root 49 equals to 7. Write equivalent statements to your answers to question 1. So what does mean? Look, a square, it means a times a, right? Similar, root a, it means a. 6 square is a 36. Similar, 36, root 36 means 6. But why? Look, root a, it means a to the power 1 by 2. So root 36, it means 36 means we know 6 square, and here is a root. So once we omit this root, it will become 6 to the power 2 times 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 out, answer will be 6. So root 6, root 36 become only 6. So question 1, first one is 9, right? So one by one we try to solve. Number A, root 9 is equals to 3. Number B, root 25 become 5. Number C here is 64. So root 64, this one if we clarify, like root 64 means 8 square, right? So 8 square to the power 8 to the power 2 times, against this root we can write 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 out equals to 8. So root 64 become 8. Number D, what? Number D, 100, right? So root 100 become 10. And finally number E, root 225, it become suppose 15 square. So 15 square times 1 by 2, 2 and 2 out, our answer is 15. So here is 15, 10, 8, 5, 3. Number 2 done. Number 3, root number 3a, root 36. So this one 36 we can write 6 square, here is root, so 6 square times against this root we can write 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 out, it will be 6 because 6 to the power 1 means 6. Number B, root 81. So root 81 we can write 9 square. So 9 square times 1 by 2. Why? Because against root we can write power 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 out, 9. 81, square root of 81 is a 9, or we can say 9 is a square root of 81. Number C, root 121. Similar, 11 square is a 121. So 11 square times 1 by 2 equals to 2 and 2 out, here is 11. 11 is a square root of 121. Number D, root 144. So this one we can write 12 square, square root, then 12 square times 1 by 2, 2 and 2 out, so here is 12. 12 is a square root of 144. So number 3 done. Number 4, copy and complete the following. 4a. Here is 1 cube. So what does means 1 cube? 1 times 1 times 1, it will be 1, right? So here is 1. Number B, 2 cube. 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 2 is a 8. So here is 8. Number C, 3 cube. So 3 times 3 times 3 equals to 3 times 3 is a 9. 9 times 3 is a 27. Number D, 4 cube. 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is a 16. 16 times 4 is a 64. Okay. So here is 27 and here is 64. Number E, 5 cube. 5 times 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 is a 25. 25 times 5 is a 125. So number 4, here is 124. Number 4 done. Number 5, an equivalent statement to 6 cube equals to 6 times 6 times 6 is a 216 is cubic root of 216 equals to 6. Write equivalent statement to your answer to question 4. So here we will discuss about cubic root. So this one here, give an example like 6 cube equals to 6 times 6 times 6 is a 216. Similar, cubic root of 216, here 3 from these 3 6 we will take 1 6, right? So how can we express this one? We know nth root of a, it means a to the power 1 by n. Therefore here is n 3 and 216. 216 means 6 cube, and against this cubic root we can write times 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 out, it will become 6. It means cubic root of 216 become 6. So it's a similar thing, cubic root of 1 become 1. Now look, cubic root of 8, we know the answer will be 2, but how? This 8 we can write 3 cube, and here is cubic root. Against this cubic root, now we can write 2 to the power 3 times 1 by 3, right? So 3 and 3 out, answer is 2. Same, here is cubic root of 27. We are now in number 5. This is A, this is B, this is C. So cubic root of 27, so here is cubic root of, against this 27 we can write 3 cube. Now 3 cube times against cubic root we can write 1 by 3, so 3 and 3 out, the answer is 3. Okay, now cubic root of 64, so 64 means what? 4 cube, and here cubic root, so 4 cube times 1 by 3, 3 and 3 out, 4 to the power 1 means 4, so 4 is a cubic root of 64, right? Now look, 3 cubic root of 125, we know the result will be 5, but how? So 125 we can write 5 cube, and here is cubic root, and now 5 to the power 3 times against cubic root it will be 1 by 3, so 3 and 3 out, the answer is 5. Okay, so number 4 and 5 complete. So this video I am trying to discuss about square roots and cubic roots primary level. So day by day we will go inside deeply, we will discuss, but no more today. Please subscribe my channel SatX. I am starting, this is the first video of exercise 1.6. okay, so please stay with me. I hope you will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.